I didn't get to post a video today. I have been doing a lot of overtime, and I apologize. I'm not sure how often this is going to happen, but for the next month or so, I'm going to be doing a lot of overtime. So I was actually in the shop tonight. As you can see, I was cutting out a template for something, and there it is. My bandsaw blade broke. And it was really weird because I just heard a little tink, and then it just stopped. I mean, it just stopped. It didn't move. And I thought, oh, well, that's kind of a nice little safety thing. It just stops. It doesn't all roll up or anything. But as I opened the top, take a look at this in here. Holy cow. I mean, look how it threw it up and bent it all back here. Jeez. And then down the side. So, geez, I'm glad it didn't all just come out at me. Let's see what the bottom looks like. I didn't even look at the bottom yet. Oh, okay. This isn't as eventful. But that's just crazy. I've never had a blade break. This is the very first time. It's kind of, it was a little bit uneventful at first, but then taking this apart and seeing that up there, it was like, wow. So I'm going to post this now, and I hope you're having a better night than I am.